In this state, I have to be committed of a crime. What crime did I commit?
I could just move right away.
What crime?
I could move right
what
away.
crime did I commit?
You can ask me to move and I move.
You wanted a supervisor? She's here.
Yeah, please. Hello. I'm not trying to be difficult or nothing. They're saying they pulled up because they said that we're blocking the driveway because they had a coupon, right? They said we're not gonna get a ticket or nothing. They asked him for ID. He's the owner of the car, and they asked me for ID.
Well, they're asking for his ID because he was driving.
Yeah, because he was
Not
driving.
because of the phone.
Yeah, because he was driving. But they asked me for ID then, and I told them I don't need to give ID. I don't have no warrants for that. It's just
No, it's
I don't have to give ID because they didn't stop us either. We were in
so listen. Normally, if you were just parked, no.
We were.
But he said that the car was going in reverse.
No, once they pulled up.
When
yeah.
he was pulling up, so that means the car was in reverse.
Yeah.
But not even when he was pulling up.
If
When
he
came
saw,
and stopped.
listen, if he saw the lights going in reverse, that means the car was on and it was in motion. So that means that the car was in motion, whether you were driving in the street or almost leaving. So by law, if you don't have your seatbelt on, he can ask you for ID. Doesn't mean he's gonna give you a ticket. It's just that that's his right. Okay, that's it. Okay, for any occupants of the car. If the car is in motion, everyone has to have a seatbelt. If they don't have a seatbelt on, then you have to give your information.
Okay. So having a
the law.
seatbelt, is that a misdemeanor or?
No, it's just a Title 39.
It's just a title.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you have to identify
So
yourself.
in this state, to identify, you need to be committed. Like.
A Title 39 violation
yeah,
is the purpose of this.
Like basically of a crime. But
No,
that's not a
no,
crime. That's a misdemeanor.
No, you're twisting my words. I didn't say a crime. I said a Title 39
No, yeah.
violation.
But in this state,
A Title
or in every state.
No. We're talking about Title 39 violation. The seatbelt not being on, Title 39 violation. Which is for anything to do with
Yeah, the car was in motion.
I just told you. He said the car, and you just said he was going in reverse.
It wasn't in motion though.
Going in reverse is in motion.
Once they pulled up, we were parked. Once they pulled up,
like
we
I
were
said,
in reverse.
like you're saying you're not trying to make it.
We
difficult.
wouldn't have been
And-
moving.
No,
He
but
wouldn't have
that's-
had the seatbelt
but
off if
what
you
I'm
guys
saying,
didn't
if your
come
car
up
was in reverse, all you have to do is give your information, and that's it.
So
We would have been
Because
on
I
our
pulled
way.
So what if I
just
don't
left
give
it
my
on.
information?
We weren't
Then it's
moving at any
obstruction.
point, right?
Then
So
you make
then
it a
what
crime.
happened?
We've been here for
Then you make it a
45
crime, and
So
then
I
you
would
get
get
arrested.
arrested?
Yes.
When you pulled up,
If
it
you
was
wanna-
in reverse. You can. Your,
All you have to
whatever,
do
your dash
is
cam
give
video
them your
was
driver's
recorded as
license.
I don't
We
have a
only put it in
driver's
reverse once
Okay,
you pulled
then
up.
you give them
stopped,
your
and put the
information.
lights on.
That's it. If you don't have a driver's license on you, you give them
you
your
can say
name,
that, and then
your
then it was
information.
in
You have to
reverse, and for
identify
a
yourself
second,
for a
we
Title
had it
39.